The Scale of Consciousness, as popularized by Dr. David R. Hawkins in his book Power vs. Force, is a hierarchical model that categorizes human consciousness into different levels. These levels range from lower, more negative states to higher, more positive states. Each level corresponds to a particular range of emotions, beliefs, and behaviors, and individuals may fluctuate between these levels throughout their lives. It's important to note that individuals may not remain at a single level of consciousness permanently and may move up or down the scale depending on various factors such as life experiences, personal growth, and spiritual development. The scale of consciousness serves as a tool for self awareness and personal growth, guiding individuals towards higher levels of awareness and enlightenment. Navigating the levels of consciousness, a journey to higher awareness. In the pursuit of personal growth and spiritual evolution, understanding the levels of consciousness can offer profound insights into our journey and guide us towards higher states of being. As we explore these levels, we embark on a transformative path towards greater self awareness and empowerment, drawing upon the wisdom of the Akashic records to illuminate our way. The levels of consciousness. 1. Shame. At the lowest level, we may experience self directed hatred and contemplate suicide. It is a state of profound despair and hopelessness. 2. Guilt. Slightly above shame, guilt is characterized by feelings of sinfulness and an inability to forgive oneself for past mistakes. 3. Apathy. Feeling hopeless and victimized, apathy is marked by a sense of learned helplessness and numbness towards life. 4. Grief. Perpetual sadness and loss define this level, often triggered by significant life events such as the loss of a loved one. 5. Depression. While higher than apathy, depression still involves a sense of emotional numbness and despair, albeit with a greater awareness of one's emotional state. 6. Fear. Viewing the world as dangerous and unsafe, fear can paralyze us and prevent us from taking meaningful action. 7. Paranoia. This level is characterized by extreme fear and distrust of others, often leading to isolation and withdrawal from society. 8. Desire. Not to be confused with healthy goals, desire at this level manifests as addiction, craving, and lust for external validation and material possessions. 9. Anger. Frustration and resentment arise when our desires are not met, leading to a cycle of blame and hostility towards others. 10. Pride. A false sense of superiority based on external achievements and validation, pride can lead to arrogance and irrational denial. 11. Courage. The first level of true strength. Courage enables us to face life's challenges with determination and resilience, paving the way for personal growth. 12. Neutrality, flexibility, relaxation, and detachment define this level, allowing us to navigate life's ups and downs with ease and grace. 13. Willingness. With a newfound sense of purpose and discipline, willingness drives us to take proactive steps towards our goals and aspirations. 14. Acceptance. At this level, we take responsibility for our lives and define our desired outcomes, initiating meaningful change and growth. 15. Reason. Clear thinking and rationality characterize this level, enabling us to make informed decisions and contribute positively to the world. 16. Love. Unconditional love and compassion emerge at this level, transcending the ego and guiding us towards a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness with all beings. 17. Joy. A state of pervasive happiness and contentment, joy arises from a profound alignment with our true essence and purpose. 18. Enlightenment. The highest level of human consciousness, enlightenment represents a merging of humanity with divinity, embodying pure love and wisdom. Embracing higher consciousness with the Akashic records. As we ascend through the levels of consciousness, the wisdom of the Akashic records serves as a guiding light, illuminating our path towards higher awareness and spiritual awakening. By accessing the Akashic records, we gain insights into our soul's journey and the lessons we are meant to learn at each stage of our evolution. Through self awareness, introspection, and a willingness to embrace change, we can transcend the limitations of lower consciousness and align with our highest potential. The Akashic records provide a roadmap for personal transformation, offering guidance and support as we navigate the complexities of human experience. In conclusion, the journey of consciousness is a sacred pilgrimage of self discovery and awakening. By honoring the wisdom of the Akashic records and embracing the levels of consciousness, we can unlock our true potential and experience profound growth and transformation on all levels of our being.